What is the difference between a good speech and a great speech? Creativity. Okay. Doing something, and what's a creative speech? Doing something that the audience doesn't expect. Okay, let's go to the T. Now the T, what do you think that stands for? All right, so I'll tell you, the T stands for truth. Now you might think that that's a given, but it isn't. Because so many speakers get up there and they don't tell the truth. Not really. They tell facts, figures, but that's it. They don't tell the truth about either how they feel or about how, the situation is or the real problem. Remember the problem, pain, and suffering I talked about a little bit ago? I want you to tell the truth about that. Here's what's going to happen. People are going to suffer if you don't get your speech out there. If you don't get your message, you're being selfish and they're going to suffer. I'm asking you, if you want to speak out of the box, go to that serious place and be real, be courageous, embrace them through stories and tell the truth.